here in Master of the Space, we've been doing this for a while. Just, week before, week of, week after we have a solstice or an equinox. I like to get us in a good, mental concentration and focus so that we can even more so take advantage of the energy. And they all have to do with shutting out the noise of the outside in one way or another. They're all directed inward, so that we're inward and we're projecting what we're creating and solidifying inward into the outward, and allowing we're just not allowing like bullshit to enter is what it comes down to. And I think I have it. I think I have it down a little bit. And if I need to refine, I'll refine it. But let's tune in and then let's see like what projects out of me.